Let's jump straight into today's captivating topic: diverse artistry. Have you ever wished of creating artistic styles from around the world, or converting sketches into beautiful artworks? How about the magic of turning your photos into delightful cartoons, or restoring your pixelated images? And what if I told you your basic words automatically transform into complex prompts by a method called intelligent polishing? But wait! Watch till the end as I introduce an extraordinary new feature that will leave you absolutely amazed. So, let's get started. Open SeaArt and click Login, located at the top right corner of the page, and log in using your Google account. You can also log in through Discord. Once you are in, provide a nickname and select your interests from categories such as landscape, character, art, realistic, etc. Additionally, confirm that you are above 18 years old, as some of the artwork are NSFW and may not be suitable for all audiences. Now, you can create images in many ways. You can start by clicking the Explore button to open the community's Explore page and selecting an image or style that interests you. Or you may explore categories like realistic, anime, sci-fi, fantasy, and cartoon. So, let's select this image. And then click Try. Then, to generate a similar styled image, click Here. This will use the identical settings and instructions for generating the image, making them available for your use. You can tailor these settings as per your preference. To create an image, click the Generate button, leading you to a dashboard with a prompt bar. Here, you can specify your image requirements. For more control, access the right panel, allowing refinements to various aspects. You can choose the mode between SeaArt or SDXL. Select a model and add multiple LoRa. Then, modify the number and quality of images, resize them and experiment with advanced configurations. But wait! If this sounds complex, simply switch to Auto mode, where entering your idea into the prompt bar and clicking here allows SeaArt to fine-tune parameters and generate a prompt for you. After image generation, you will get 4 different versions of the image. In the left panel, find More Tools under the Advanced tab. You can use images as references with Image to Image and access the ControlNet feature. In Tools, explore features like expansion, upscaler, and image to prompt conversion. Now, let's return to the home screen and click on Swift AI. Here, you will find a collection of fantastic tools like restoring your images, removing image backgrounds, generating an image from a sketch, or transforming your pictures into a work of art. Simply click on each option, upload your image, and give it a try. It's quite user-friendly. Finally, head over to the Studio section. Here, you can create images inspired by various styles from around the world, such as classic, anime, sci-fi, origami art, cyberpunk, and more. As an example, let's select the Studio Ghibli style for this demonstration. Next, in the prompt box, describe your vision. So, let's enter horses grazing in a lush green field with a log house in the distance and a stream. Now, click on the magic wand icon to generate a prompt from your idea. And just click the Generate button, and that's it. Your generated images will be displayed. With a little time and a splash of creativity, you can craft your own stunning masterpieces. Thank you for staying until the end. Remember to explore and experiment with all the amazing features I have covered in today's tutorial. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button, share the video with your friends, and do subscribe for more such videos.